Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a fast internet speed and secure connection, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through creating a V2Ray VMess server account and setting it up on HTTP Injector for a seamless and private browsing experience. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel. Now, let's get started. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom, then hit enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results and click on it. This is where we'll create our V2Ray slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu button, usually found in the top corner. Click on it to access a list of available options. From this menu, select V2Ray slow DNS server. This option allows us to create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS, ensuring a more stable and secure connection. You'll then be directed to the server location selection page. Choose your preferred server location, then proceed to the account creation page. Here, simply enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your server details will be generated and displayed. Make sure to copy these details, as we'll need them for the next step. Before configuring the server, let's make sure you have the latest version of the HTTP Injector app. Head over to the Google Play Store, search for HTTP Custom, and install the app if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app to access the home page. Now follow these steps to configure the V2Ray VMess server. On the home page, tap the arrow icon below the Start button. A new window will open, look for the tunnel type option, and select V2Ray. Tap the Save button to apply the settings. Next, click the settings icon at the top of the screen to expand the server settings list. From the list, select V2Ray, which will open a new setup page. At the top right corner, tap the small plus button to add a new V2Ray server. Paste the V2Ray VMess server details that we created earlier, then confirm the import. Once the details are added successfully, return to the home screen and tap Connect to enjoy fast and secure web browsing. And there you have it! You've successfully created a V2Ray VMess server and configured it on HTTP Injector. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others find it too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video!